You know, it's like all of us have a hero, someone who just means everything to us, someone who will sacrifice anything for us. You know, for me, that's my father, that's my dad. I love you, man. I love you, Pops. In the darkest of nights, the stormiest days, somehow you were never afraid. The strongest of giants, how could I forget? Always my first line of defense. The pain that you've taken for my sake, and it's so amazing, 'cause you never faked it. I'm so grateful. You're my hero with no cape, the one who always saves the day. In a world where people change, I just hope that you remain. I just hope that you remain. When I look at my life, I see all the ways you made sure I was okay. And if I could repeat